Hey guys, my name is Matt Wynn from Winning Home Improvements.
Hi, I'm Trace from Winning Interiors.
And welcome to our Wellington Point kitchen renovation.
Keep watching and you'll see the full reveal soon. So these guys were previous clients of ours for a bathroom and invited us back into their home to help them with their kitchen renovation. Now previously there was a peninsula here that went down from this wall and it was lopsiding the room and taking out the full capacity of what this space could have. We met with the clients, worked out their brief and came up with this beautiful design. So one of the advantages with working with Winning Home Improvements, you get both builder, interior designer, myself. And one of the success stories of this kitchen is introducing a butler's pantry. Now this already had a half wall that came out in the before of this kitchen, which we removed and introduced a new butler's pantry by building some new walls. Now this has multiple storage for the clients and is great for everyday use.
Okay, so part of the brief from the client was that they wanted light, flow, and everyday good use. So this oversized island bench definitely flows into the new gas strut window that we've put. We removed the old window and had to enlarge the size to make the new gas strut window work. And have a look at this, guys.
So when I'm introduced into a new home, the first port of call for me is to work out the layout of the kitchen. And then after that is working out the detail. Now here the upper cabinets are in a beautiful plantation ash. And we have done a band of white at the bottom to give that two-tone effect, which we've also pulled into the island bench. So what a success this kitchen has been. It is twice the size of what it was, and it is such a beautiful, entertaining space for this family.
We've pretty well covered all the brief. We've brought the inside out with the gas strut door. We've also got the oversized island bench, which is great for parties, and also the flow and just the finishes that Trace has achieved.
Yeah, we've created a beautiful coastal home for these guys to live in for a very long time. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
We enjoyed working with Winning Home Improvements. Everything was made very easy for us as the client. They thought of everything, and when we didn't think of things ourselves, you certainly came up with the ideas.
We found the communication with Winning Home Improvements to be really good. The interaction that we had with the builder Matt was great. He was here every morning to talk about what the day's work would be, and he would tell us about what the next day's work would be and planning the trade, so we found the communication really good.
We valued the most with this company was definitely the ideas, the creativity that we could have never come up with on our own, I believe. It was a great partnership. We said what we would like and Tracy and Matt made it happen.
We'd recommend Winning Home Improvements to do remodelling and renovation work. We found that the flow from design to consultation to making it all happen and then getting all the trades through flowed really well, and we would highly recommend using them in the future.
Absolute success. So glad we did it. Brought a space that was good to a space that's now great.